Hey guys, this is going to be Unit 1.3c, Income Elasticities of Demand. Now the reason why we use a Y for income is because the capital I means investment spending. So we use Y for income, and that's going to be true for macroeconomics when we get there later in the fall, so keep that in mind. But anyway, when it comes to income elasticities of demand, the formula is as such. We are comparing a percent change in quantity demanded over a percent change in the consumer's income. All right, so as you can probably tell, this is another determinant of demand. As your income goes up, you'll be more willing and able to purchase normal products, while you might be less willing to purchase inferior products. So this kind of goes back to the determinants of demand. So once again, the negative and positive value from this formula is of the utmost importance. All right? So with that being said, here's how to work out the formula. Again, it's the same old change in formula. So you have quantity demanded of good, you have quantity demanded of good, the new quantity demanded minus the old quantity demanded, or the old quantity demanded. There's your numerator. And then have your new income level minus your old income over your old income. There's your denominator. And you can solve that out. Now, we don't really need to use models here. We're not really assessing the angle of our demand curve. We're really assessing by how much it shifts, because once again, this is a determinant of demand shifting. So as a consequence, what we're really looking at here is positive, negative value of the coefficient. So if you think about it, if your income increases by about 10%, and let's say the quantity demanded of the product decreases by 25%, well, that's an inverse relationship, right? So as your income rises, the quantity demanded of this product is falling. That is the very definition of an inferior product or an inferior good. So if you get a negative coefficient, then this is symbolic of an inferior product or an inferior good. All right? So think about it the other way around. I mean, what happens if your income falls by 10% and the quantity demanded for the product rises by 25%? Well, there's still an inverse relationship there. As your income falls, the demand for this product rises. All right, so that again is the definition of an inferior product. So if you get a negative coefficient for the income elasticities of demand, you just mathematically prove the products to be inferior. All right. So what happens if you have an increase in your income by 10%, and this leads to an increase in the quantity demanded by 25%? Well, that means there's a direct relationship there, right? As your income rises, you demand more of this product, like think Under Armour apparel or Nike tennis shoes, for instance. These are fairly expensive consumer products. Well, as your income rises and your demand, that is the definition of a normal good. So if you have a positive value, this is symbolic of a normal good. All right? But there are two types of normal goods. There is let me get down here. There is a necessary product and a luxury product. All right? A necessary product would have a coefficient value of a positive number with a range of 0 to 1, whereas the luxury item would have a coefficient that would be greater than 1. But again, this is SL. We are not going to concern ourselves too much with the quantitative analysis. However, HL, this concerns you. See you next time.